trying to take a video here.
Oh, let the video camera going.
Did we put it in?
Whoa, go!
Whoa!
Come on.
It's Thomas!
Yeah.
Whoa! Uncle Jay. Yeah! I like it, Uncle Jay.
What is it?
Come up the train on a track. Like,
Oh, look!
Whoa! Whoa! Look at this! Look at this!
Look at that.
Yeah! Mom, it's got balls!
Thomas and Diesel?
Thomas has got balls.
It's got balls!
You're making a video. Yeah.
Why didn't you tell me? But it's got
balls.
it's got bouncy balls!
Thomas and his train balls.
Like it, you say, thank you,
I guess
Uncle
you'd call
Jay.
them training balls.
Say, thank you, Uncle Jay.
You're welcome, little boy.
He really wants those. He wants them
Now
out,
put
eh?
it together.